Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings to all successful manager which I respect. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Iffah binti Bisara Sirhan. I am from Faculty of Information Management, UiTM Puncak Perdana in Bachelor of Information System Management. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor to be given the chance to deliver my speech to the respectful audience. Today, I would like to talk about the benefits and risks of cloud computing. Cloud is about how you do computing, not where you do computing. What is cloud computing? Based on Nasri and Jafari Navimiper in 2019, cloud computing is a key development in the delivery of information technology-based programs depend on distributed and parallel computing concept. It provides a highly reliable and scalable environment for exchanging and connecting diverse computing resources such as distant servers, shared storage, and service provider application from a distant area. Dear professional managers, did you believe that cloud computing can improve workplace productivity? Charles Var in 2014 clarified that cloud computing enables you to supply your employees with devices that enable them to do their external work without being limited by all legacy systems. For instance, your employee could be accessed cloud-based IT services from any devices anywhere in the world. Your employee may use technology like group texting, file transfer, and online streaming, both in the workplace and online, allowing them to work more efficiently. It also gives them access to a strong collaboration tool that allows teams from different departments across the world to collaborate. Therefore, cloud computing can enhance the quality of talent your company can offer. The second benefit is cloud computing is always up to date. Another significant benefit of cloud computing is the real value experiences of working with innovation that is continuously cutting edge. It is always up to date so they do not become dragged down by outdated technology or become comfortable with old systems. Top cloud computing providers keep up with current hardware and update their software on a regular basis to meet new demand and enhance their service. Their main goal is to give the highest expected user experience for their clients, which means your company will always be able to perform at your best thanks to IT technologies that helps you do so. It also indicates you can concentrate on your operation instead of your infrastructure, which can be added as the third benefit of cloud computing. Why can you concentrate on your operation instead of your infrastructure? This is because moving to a cloud-based IT platform helps a company to focus on its core strength instead of being overwhelmed by its IT infrastructure. Besides, these are the same vital capabilities that provide you the competitive position that you need to stay ahead of the pack. Using cloud system, you get the privilege of being a client of your provider instead of just having to be your own supplier. They take care of most of your IT needs, enabling resources and investment that were previously given to non-core IT services to be reassigned. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing is perfect in this world, including cloud computing. Although cloud computing provides many benefits that can help us as a successful manager in doing business, but cloud computing also has risks that we need to be aware of. Let us dig into what the risks of cloud computing are. One of the risks of cloud computing is security issues. Based on Sandra Dosovic on 2019, who is a content manager of software company, she stated that since the beginning of cloud computing technologies, security has been a major concern, which is you can't see where your data is kept or performed. This raises the threat associated with cloud computing during installation and operation. Data breaches and leaked passwords, as well as hacked interfaces, have not really helped to relieve the concern. Most of this makes it difficult for some people to trust confidential and private data to third parties. To guarantee that your company's privacy and securities are protected, you must ensure that the software as a service provider has enabled secure user data security, authorization, and network security system. You also need to check out whether they are subject to any databases privacy or security regulation. Lack of resources or expertise is the next point on our list of cloud computing risks. While cloud technologies continue to improve at a rapid pace, organizations are progressively putting more workloads in the cloud. In addition, the need for expertise continues to rise. This is due to a few issues, including a lack of training, the use of various cloud suppliers, and the development of hybrid clouds. It is still difficult to locate cloud-related training nowadays. Furthermore, the lack of numerous standards and qualifications make it more difficult to determine whether someone possesses the necessary expertise. As a result, if you want your employees to have the necessary expertise, you must devote time to training them. This ability may be used to correctly identify and use cloud service providers within the enterprise. Other than that, cost concern is one of the risks of cloud computing. Why? Because cloud computing is inexpensive within itself, but customizing the platform to meet the demands of the company may be costly. In addition, the cost of transporting data to public clouds might be prohibitive for short-term and small-scale initiatives. Thankfully, there are various strategies to keep cloud expenses in check, such as reducing expenses through improved financial analytics and reporting or keeping management reporting on track so that these cloud computing difficulties may be reduced. To sum up everything, cloud computing is without a doubt transforming the IT sector. Businesses of all sizes are seeing the benefits of cloud adoption as it increases rapidly. But there are other challenges that cloud computing must overcome. To make the best of the situation and overcome obstacles, you should take a strategic iterative approach to implementation, such as explore hybrid cloud solution, involve business and IT teams, and choose the right business intelligence software as a service partner. All this will ensure that the benefit of cloud business intelligence will far outweigh the challenges. My watch says it's time to close. So that's all from me. Thank you.